Hey, welcome back to the channel. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and today I am tackling one of the biggest challenges that many entrepreneurs face, and that is generating leads. But here's the catch. I'm doing it without all the hustle and grind you've been told is necessary. Sound impossible? Stick with me because I'm going to walk you through some game-changing strategies that could revolutionize the way you think about lead generation. Let's be real for a second. The reality for most entrepreneurs is this. Hours spent perfecting a social media post, fine-tuning every word carefully, choosing the right image, and then crickets. No likes, no shares, and certainly no leads. Or maybe you've tried other approaches, sending out endless emails, cold messaging people on LinkedIn or Facebook, or hosting webinars that only a handful of people show up to. It's draining, and over time, it feels like you're hustling non-stop just to see a trickle of new leads. And let's not forget the personal cost, the time, energy, and creativity you're burning up maybe just, to get a few leads. It's exhausting, and for most, it feels like there's no end in sight. Here's the thing. We're often told that this is just the way lead generation works. You hustle, you grind, you sacrifice your time and energy, and if you're lucky, it'll eventually pay off. But what if I told you that this narrative is outdated and unnecessary? But what if I told you that generating leads can be simple, even effortless, that you can attract qualified leads without running yourself into the ground? The truth is, entrepreneurs who seem to attract leads effortlessly aren't working harder than you. They've simply unlocked the strategies that make lead generation easier. One of the most powerful strategies for taking the grind out of lead generation is automation. Now, before you think, I don't want to sound like a robot. Hear me out. Automating your repetitive tasks isn't about losing the personal touch. It's about freeing up your time so you can focus on the things that truly drive your business forward. Picture this. Instead of manually sending follow-up emails or posting on social media every single day, you use automation tools to handle it for you. Tools like email marketing automation, social media schedulers, and CRM systems that track and nurture your leads automatically. That means while your systems are working in the background, you're free to focus on what matters most: building relationships, creating content, and innovating your business. Next up, social media. And no, it's not just about posting more often. It's about posting smarter, running targeted ads to reach the exact audience you want, leveraging user-generated content to build trust, and creating posts that spark conversation, not just clicks. The key is engagement, not volume. By creating valuable, engaging content and running ads that are laser-targeted, you can expand your reach without overwhelming yourself. One of the most overlooked strategies, user-generated content. This not only boosts your brand's credibility, but also helps you reach new audiences organically. One of the most impactful strategies for generating leads is creating high-value content. I'm talking about blogs, podcasts, and videos that offer real solutions to the problem your audience faces. By positioning yourself as an authority in your niche, you'll attract leads who are already interested in what you have to offer. Evergreen content that stays relevant over time. It can work for you long after you hit publish. A single blog post or video can continue to generate leads for you for months, even years. The more value you provide up front, the more your audience will trust you, making them more likely to engage with your services or products. Finally, the ultimate lead generation strategy: building a loyal community. People don't just want to buy products, they want to belong to something bigger, a tribe, a movement, By fostering a sense of belonging, you create a loyal audience that's not only willing to buy from you, but also excited to share your message with others. See, when your community feels connected to you, they'll become your biggest advocates. They'll share your content, refer to friends, and engage with you on a deeper level. It's this type of level of connection that turns lead into long-term customers and customers into repeat buyers. So, what's the big takeaway here? Generating leads doesn't have to be a hustle. By using smart automation, creating high value content, engaging strategically on social media, and building a loyal community, you can attract leads without sacrificing your time or your energy. It's time to change the way you approach lead generation. Stop hustling for every lead and start implementing strategies that work for you, not against you. Be sure to check out my website at freedomlifebusiness.com for more free resources and lead generating strategies, and opt into my email list to stay in touch with me and receive my daily tips and inspiration. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge with lead generation right now? Drop me a comment below and let's discuss it. And if you're looking for even more tips and strategies to grow your business, be sure to check out my next video where I'll dive even deeper into how to scale your lead generation efforts. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.